there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the Styletone box. So I received the box opened yet again, so I'm very excited to see what we will see inside. What the hell kind of sentence was that? I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying. Wow, I can't open this box. Like, wow. We got the booklet right here, and then I think everything is in a satchel. Yeah, okay, the box is empty. Everything is in this little satchel. Okay, so the first thing inside in here is from Mike Makeup. It's the E144 brush, and I think this is a blending brush. Let me just get it out of the packaging because I love to have multiple blending brushes, especially if they're like really, really soft, which this one isn't too soft, but I think like for blending purposes, it would be great. So this is what that little fella looks like, and I'm so excited to give it a try. I already looked up the booklet. It's easier, it saves me a lot of time. And this fella cost 24 euros. It's actually a lot of money for a simple blending brush. I don't know how much they are at MAC, but I think it's around the same pricing range, so I'm gonna expect a lot out of this. Oh, and for the people who are always wondering why I always like take MAC as an example, I think MAC is still, you know, it's not, how can I say this? It's not a brand that's loved that much on YouTube anymore, but it still definitely is the #1 brand when you look at makeup artists and the actual professional world. A lot of people hang on to MAC. So I always, since I am a makeup artist, I always kind of take MAC as like an example, you know, and I don't know, I just always grab towards MAC, and of course Tarte and Too Faced are great brands as well, and Urban Decay, and you name it, but MAC kind of is like that solid brand. So that's kind of the reason why I always say I'd rather have, for all of this, a MAC lipstick, or I compare the price to, for example now, to a MAC makeup brush. So, you know, that's the reason why. Okay, so next up is Manne Kadar, which is another brand that we received quite a lot in these boxes. It's Beauty Simplified Lip Locked Priming Lip Wand in the color Madame. And this is what that looks like, and I'm intrigued by the color. So I will get it out of here and do a little swatch for you all. Y'all just gonna have to give me a minute to actually get it out of the packaging. But come on, let go. It's always so sticky, clingy towards the hand. It's really annoying. But let's give this a swatch. Ooh, that looks so freaking good. Ooh, actually, that wouldn't look too bad with the makeup I have on today. I love this color. It's like a coral color. Finally, not a freaking brown lipstick. Speaking about brown lipsticks, brown, wow, why did I say that so weird, brown? I'm actually wearing the one that we received in, I think it was the Styletone box as well, and I think it was 1 or 2 Styletone boxes ago. Like, also it looked like this, but it had like a black, what do you call this one thing, and then a golden cap, and I said it was kind of like a nudish brown, and I actually really enjoyed it. So that's the one I'm wearing today. But I'm so freaking happy. Thank you so much, Styletone, for not giving us a stupid freaking brown lipstick, but actually giving us a orange, corally, peachy kind of a color. Oh, I love it. So once again, looked it up in the booklet already, easier. It costs 24 euros as well. Wow. The brush costs 24. This fella costs 24. And you can actually get 2 colors, and I'm so glad I got Madame. You could get Madame or Joey. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. But that one is definitely more of a berry pink. And this one is definitely the corally pink kind of a color, orangey. I don't know. But I'm so glad I received this. I am like legit very happy with this. Okay, next up is from Baby Cosmetics, a color corrector. And this is what that little sucker looks like. Let's see what the inside, oh, can this spin? No, no it cannot. I think, it actually has like a gloss little wand in here. It wasn't sealed, so I could open it. Doesn't mean I'm actually gonna touch my skin with it, but I just wanna show you guys. However, I did push in some air. Anyway, yeah, this fella is definitely too dark for my skin tone. I can tell already. This one isn't, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it just yet. If I won't use it, you'll see this in a giveaway somewhere. I think I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway that I'm hosting. Well, I want to say that I'm hosting right now, but the winner still needs to send me, the new winner now, still needs to send me her address so that I am able to ship it out, because I don't know. Anyway, in the next giveaway, you'll probably see this if I'm not going to use it on myself, or maybe I'm going to give this to a friend or a family member. I don't know. I have to play around with this. I have to see what I do with it. So let's grab the booklet. And BB Professional Corrector Stick costs €17.95. Okay, moving on. Whoa, this is thick. Step 1 and step 2. What? This is from Double Dare. It's the Honey Milk Dual Mask Kit. Okay, step 1, Honey Milk Exfoliating Bubble Mask, and then step 2, Honey Milk Ceramide Mask. Okay, this is what that looks like, and y'all know I'm hooked on masks. I love masks. I actually had one on today that I bought, a peel-off mask, a silver one, that I bought in the DM in Germany, and I don't know, I love this kind of stuff, so this is awesome. I'm definitely going to try this out really soon. Let's see what it says in the booklet. It says, the Double Dare Spa Honey Mask 2-in-1, basically, because there are 2 masks in here. It costs €7. Okay, so I think we are down to the very last thing in here, and the little satchel here is empty. It says, like in big letters, eye primer. This is from Creative Cosmetics, and this doesn't seem like a full size, and Styletone only has full size items, so I don't know, it looks kind of really small to be a full size for some reason. Like, look at how freaking small this is. I don't know. We got a little card. Okay. Exclusively produced for Creative Cosmetics. Okay, but I don't know. I have to read the booklet on this little fella. It's an eye primer, which is always great to have, and I'm definitely going to keep that. It reminds me kind of the MAC Painterly Pot, I think it's called. But I don't know, it's so freaking small. Like, I don't know what is up with that, because I do know Styletone only has full-size items, and I'm sorry, but this does not look like a full-size item. I might be wrong. They might have said, you know what, we're going to create like smaller packaging, which is kind of good, because especially solid eye primers, you never really like finish completely. It takes a very long time, and more often than not, the ingredients are kind of expired. So it might have been that, but I wonder what the price of this fella is, because if that is the case, it's great, you know, less garbage in the world, all power to them. But if you get a smaller amount, then I think the price should be smaller as well. Holy cow, it is not. This eyeshadow primer from Creative Cosmetics costs €18.95. Look, I'm not going to pay 20 bucks for this small of an amount. This cannot be right. I didn't read the booklet clearly yet. I'll probably have some kind of an answer in here. If not, somebody in the comment section probably knows what's up. But I find that a little bit sketchy. Okay guys, that was it. Those were all of the item of this month's box. I see kind of a little bit of a, how can I say this, kind of, I don't want to say it's a ritual because it's not, but I see some repetitive things throughout the two boxes that we already received, which is the Look Fantastic box and the Styletone box. They're both pretty much focused on like raw beauty, natural beauty. I see that in clearly the Look Fantastic box, even the freaking box was basically untouched. And all the products inside as well. And I do see Styletone, I have actually the cap of the Look Fantastic box right here, but I do see Styletone doing the same thing with like a mask and basically like a nice brush for your makeup, an eye primer, and clearly a contouring, concealing, correcting stick, whatever you want to call it, and just a simple like lipstick. It's very raw, it's very natural. So I see something, you know, coming back in these boxes. I'm very excited to see what the goodie box is gonna do, because I feel like this is kind of a trend for this month, and I think the goodie box is gonna go the same route. Honestly, I hope not, because it would be nice to have something completely different as well. About the box itself, I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it this month. Let me know down below, and let me know what you guys think about this month's box. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Winner, please contact me. Like, I want to start the other giveaway, so please contact me, but I don't want to do it when this giveaway is kind of not finished yet. So please do that, because the video is done. I've edited it and edited it. That's a weird word. But yeah, let me know. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.